Hi, welcome to the Dialogue Lounge. I'm Nova.
And I'm Gravity.
Together, we're here to explore the universe, from the tiniest stars to the biggest cosmic mysteries.
Wow. And today, we're kicking things off with a story that changed everything about how we see the universe. The expanding cosmos and the man who made it all real. Edwin Hubble.
The universe isn't just big, it's getting bigger every single second. Galaxies are literally running away from us. And no, it's not because Earth has bad cosmic hygiene.
Fully agreed. And you know what? A century ago, scientists believed the universe was calm, static, and limited to just the Milky Way. Then a man named Edwin Hubble picked up a telescope and shattered the universe as we knew it.
Boom! So today, we're diving into the mind-blowing story of the expanding universe. How it proved Einstein wrong, and what dark matter and dark energy have added to the cosmic plot. A wonderful twist.
Exactly. So viewers, stick around till the end, because the conclusion will leave you staring at the night sky with a brand new, different perspective.
Let's get started then. Back in the early 20th century, scientists thought our Milky Way was the entire universe. Those fuzzy spiral shapes? They were called nebulae, and most people assumed they were just clouds in our galactic backyard.
So basically, they thought the universe was a calm, quiet library. No drama, no chaos. Just stars politely orbiting around like librarians shelving cosmic books.
Exactly. The universe was seen as eternal, unchanging, a cosmic still life.
And we all know how well that worked out.
And then enters Edwin Hubble. He studied Cepheid variable stars, stars that pulse in brightness, which let him measure distances far beyond the Milky Way.
And then, boom, he realized the Andromeda Nebula was actually its own galaxy, not nearby, billions of times farther than anyone imagined. The universe wasn't one galaxy, it was filled with billions of them.
Step 2. He noticed that the light from these galaxies was redshifted, meaning it stretched as if they were moving away from us.
So galaxies aren't chilling in place, they're sprinting away. It's like cosmic marathon day out there.
Absolutely spot on. And this relationship, the farther the galaxy, the faster it recedes, became what we call Hubble's law.
Oh gosh, that's overwhelming. Overnight, the universe went from stat museum to cosmic fireworks show, always expanding. For simplification, let's take an example of an inflated helium balloon to simplify the concept of expanding universe. Balloon surface, consider it to be cosmic space, stretches, dots drawn on it. Consider it to be the galaxies move farther apart from one another, with no single dot being a center of expansion. This illustrates that space itself is expanding, carrying the galaxies with it.
I got it. Now let's try to grab the perspective. Before Hubble, Einstein's general relativity equations actually predicted expansion or contraction. But since everyone thought the universe was static, he added the cosmological constant, lambda, to force it to stand still.
What? Wait a second. You mean he basically tweaked his own genius math to match the old-school static universe idea? Really?
Exactly. And after Hubble proved the universe was expanding, Einstein called that constant the biggest blunder of my life.
So, he had the right answer all along and still managed to mess it up. Classic Einstein.
Fast forward to the 1990s and 2000s. Scientists realized galaxies spin faster than they should. Something invisible is holding them together. Enter dark matter.
Basically, invisible cosmic glue making up 27% of the universe. We can't see it, but without it, galaxies would explode like popcorn.
And then there's dark energy, the mysterious force that's accelerating the expansion of the universe. Turns out, everything we can see, stars, planets, even us, is less than 5% of the universe. The rest? Dark, mysterious, and still teasing humanity.
And today, missions like James Webb, Euclid, and the Roman telescope are trying to figure out, will expansion slow, accelerate, or maybe reverse? So the cosmic marathon might get a surprise finish line we haven't even imagined yet.
Wow, you know what? I must applaud Edwin Hubble for his remarkable breakthrough. He didn't just discover galaxies, he redefined our place in the cosmos. The universe went from a quiet ceiling of stars to a living, breathing, expanding wonderland.
And science, at its heart, is all about curiosity, asking bold questions and being ready to rewrite reality when the truth demands it.
So next time, whenever you look up at the night sky, remember, those stars aren't just dots. They're part of a universe that's growing, evolving, and still full of mysteries, waiting for the next Hubble. And that's a wrap on today's cosmic adventure. If your brain is still intact after expanding with the universe, congratulations! Hey, you wouldn't believe, every time we talk about the universe, I feel myself tiny and infinite.
Yeah. That's because we are stardust, small, yet part of something so much bigger. The universe isn't out there, it's in all of us. And hey, don't keep the universe all to yourself. Spread the space love. Send this video to that one friend who thinks the universe revolves around them. Stay curious, stay cosmic, and keep looking up. Because the universe isn't done surprising us.